The easiest way to take monthly, yearly subscriptions automatically on a WordPress website, it's this plugin. It's called WPSubscription, and it's super easy to set up and start using. So let's get started. This is WPSubscriptions, and you can check out the link in the description. And they are currently running a big sale on AppSumo for a lifetime deal. So that means no monthly payments. That means you pay once and use forever. So if you need this for one single website with all the features included, it's $69. If you need 5 websites, jump to tier 2, which is $139 for 5 websites. And if you need unlimited websites because you're an agency or you plan to use this on several websites, then this makes sense. It's a bit expensive if you ask me, but you get unlimited websites and you can make some money with this. So think about it, right? So on my WordPress website, I already have the plugin installed, and I'll be able to view all my subscriptions right here. And creating a subscription is super easy. Now, before I show you how, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan for your WordPress website to use WPSubscriptions, this is a great option. So you can grab their managed WordPress hosting with AI agent included for as low as $1.99. But if you want the AI, it starts off at $2.99 a month. So I'm going to check out this plan right here, which is the most popular plan because it gets you great limits and you can install up to 50 websites. You get 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes, you get a free domain, and you get AI included into this plan. Plus, there's a discount that I want to show you how to apply right here. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is, how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 4 years. Now, this is the current pricing, but if you click on have a coupon code and paste in my code or type it in, the price is going to drop to $129.17 for 4 years paid off. So if you ask me, that's a great plan for what you're going to pay. Now, let's go jump over to my WordPress website. In this case, I do recommend that you first jump into settings because there's a few settings that I do recommend that you take care of before getting started. First off, the renewal process. Do you want it to be automatic? So every time the subscription finishes, it's going to auto renew, or do you want to set it to manual? Then you want to set your subscriber default role. In this case, it's set to subscriber by default, but if you need a different role, just go ahead and create the role and select it right here. Once the subscription is over, it's going to automatically convert into a customer. But if you need it to turn to something else, go ahead and select it right here. Then another option that I do recommend that you set up that's important is allow guest checkout. So it's a good idea if you don't want to make them fill out the process to join your website and then check out. This allows them to do a guest checkout. And the grace period settings, set those up right here, okay? So once you're good to go, we need WooCommerce for this to work. And then we're gonna go into products, go to add a new product, and this is where we're going to create the subscription. So in this case, this is going to be the medium plan. This is what I'm gonna create right now. And I'm just gonna paste in the same thing for the description. Obviously, set a good description. Then the sale price. So this is $200 and the sale price is gonna be $79, okay? Here we go. And then I'm going to tick this on, which is the option to enable the subscription system. Once we enable this, we're gonna see a new option here on the left, which is a tab that says subscription. This is where we're going to set up the details for the subscription system. Now, first thing you need to set up is it going to be recurring or is this going to be a split payments option? Because it gives you both options on this WordPress plugin. But in this case, we're going to cover the recurring system. So repeat payment every X amount of days, X amount of weeks, month, years. In this case, I'm going to set years and it's going to be set to every year, okay? Do we want to allow a free trial duration? And I'm going to say yes, I'm going to allow 10 days for a free trial. Is there going to be a sign up fee? So depending on your purpose, the subscription, there might be some work on your end that needs to be paid for allowing the subscription. So just set that up right here. Visible to, if you want to set specific roles to be visible for, and then deliverable settings. So is there a schedule for this product to be delivered? In this case, no. And the advanced settings. Do you want to change the button text? You can set that up right here. Allow users to cancel, yes or no. I think it's a great option to allow to cancel, but if you don't want to allow that, set it to no. Then the activation limit. Is there going to be a limit for this? In this case, no. So I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to add a default image here just for testing purposes. I'm going to set the category for subscription. I can add some tabs right here. I can add brands if needed. There's a product short description here that you can also add and a featured image with URL. So we are good to go. I'm going to publish this because that's how easy it is to set up a subscription right here with WP Subscriptions. So let's go ahead and jump over to this link right here. And here we go. We have the medium plan for $79 a year. This has a 10-day free trial and a basic description for testing purposes. I'm going to add this to cart. Then I'm going to go to the cart. There we go. Let's go ahead and view my cart. And we have the details available here. So a medium plan for $79 a year. This has a 10-day free trial. On the right, we can add a coupon just like you would with WooCommerce. Go ahead and create the coupon on WooCommerce, and that can be used over here. Then we have the total here, $79 a year, first billing on January 23rd. That means that after the 10-day free trial, it's gonna be charged, okay? And then you have the option to cancel at any time. Once you're good to go, proceed to checkout, and you are good to go. No more hassles to start reminding them or send an email manually for those subscriptions. Just go ahead and use this plugin and you'll be good to go. This is great for freelancers, advertisers, church, and even donations where you want to have them have a recurring charge. So if you want to charge for donations based on recurring system, this is a good option. So remember, there's a lifetime deal going on right now that you can pay once and use forever. So go ahead and check out that link in the description. And don't forget about the sponsor, which is Hostinger. And you can go ahead and use my coupon code to grab a lower price on any of their plans. Don't forget WP subscriptions, and that is a wrap.